Fast-rising Nigerian musician Oludipe Oluwasomi David, popularly known as Spyro, openly criticized the song lyrics of fellow colleague Shallipopi. Spyro, while speaking in a recent podcast, The Honest Bunch, hosted by Nedu, criticized Shallipopi for the lyrics to his songs, especially the latest song, Elon Musk. While stressing that Shallipopi puts out lyrics that make people internalize fraud, Spyro noted the importance of putting out songs with lyrics that are impactful must not be neglected. He was immediately cautioned by skit maker Nasboi and music journalist Akan for criticizing the song lyrics of singer Shallipopi and other musicians who do secular music. The third evicted Big Brother Naija All-Stars housemate Kiddwaya has spoken about his kiss with female colleague Mercy AK and other experiences on the show. Recall that Mercy had on Thursday after the arena game invited Kiddwaya for a kiss at the head of house stairs, an area not well captured by the Big Brother's cameras. Speaking with the show host Ebuka Obi Uchendu, after his eviction from the ongoing Season 8 edition of the Big Brother show on Sunday night, Kiddwaya described kissing Mercy and his issues with Doyin and Ilebaye as part of his strategic game plan. Is Shallipopi's lyrics promoting immorality?